What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on PLTR stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we completed APC correction right after the 5-wave structure from this bottom to this top. And if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, because 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is nothing else but 1 wave on a greater scale, I found that we have a golden pocket range, the range in between 0.65 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels, and this range statistically is the most probable range of trend reversal. And as you can see, we had this first bounce, and at that point I've told you that we might retest this range, and we have two crucial points. First of all, it is this range of roughly $7.5. It is the confluence with the bottom of our second wave, it is the golden pocket range, and if this asset breaks this range of support, definitely we might see lower price targets at roughly $7.08 and even $6.46, the previous swing low. And the next range that might be crucial for this asset was this one, the top of this previous swing high. And I've told you that depending on the breakout, we might consider the next trend. And as you can see, this asset retested this range of resistance, pulled back a little bit, and then it broke it to the upside. And for now, it is hovering at the range of about $8.79. So very good movement to the upside, and within just 3 sessions it gained from its lowest point to its highest point more than 18%, and to its current price it gained about 15.5%. Definitely very good movement, but I have some doubts about the trend continuation because we don't have much volume with this price action. So what should we expect next from the technical standpoint, I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. What was the reason for this spike in price? And let me show you this information. Just yesterday, Bank of America initiated its coverage of Palantir, and it set a price target at $13 with an upside potential of 57.77%. Definitely this huge bank has a very high impact on any assets on the market. And let me show you this in details. So we are on Benzinga.com, and this article was published on June 21st, and it says why Palantir Technologies stock is rising. And let me quote you this. Bank of America Securities initiated coverage on Palantir with a buy rating and announced a $13 price target, citing rapidly growing demand for AI platforms in both commercial and government end markets. The analyst firm believes Palantir maintains a dominant position in the AI-powered software market. The company also offers differentiated solutions and has first-mover advantages, which should support more than 30% annual revenue expansion and improving profits, according to Bank of America. Bank of America believes Palantir's current valuation is leaving out its exposure to military intelligence. Rising geopolitical tensions have created an opportunity for Palantir's national security solutions in the United States and allied countries. Palantir stands to benefit as the analyst firm expects US and allies' defense budgets to grow, with increased focus on modernization and implementation of new technologies. And definitely these statements 100% correlated with my vision of Palantir, because when we have more uncertainty in the geopolitical situation, and when we have some tensions and even war conflicts on the earth, Palantir is one of the companies that might benefit from this situation a lot. And that's why we have this very bullish forecast from Bank of America, and that's why Palantir reflects this report with the huge increase in its price. So definitely this is the main reason why we have this spike, and let me show you that some of you might argue that Palantir is just following the market, and let me add the price of SPY index on this price chart. As you can see, we have absolutely the same price action basically from the beginning of May, but then right here at this very point on June 13th, Palantir halted its movement to the downside, and as you can see, it didn't break this previous swing low. Instead of this, SPY broke its previous swing low right here, and it went even lower. This means SPY is much more weaker in general than Palantir right now. On top of that, let me show you the latest price action, and let me show you right here from this top. Right here we have the slight movement to the upside for both of these assets. Then we have a decrease in its price, but SPY again broke its previous swing low, and Palantir didn't do this, and it held very well the golden pocket range. And the last section of this movement is right here, from this bottom to this top, and as you can see, SPY didn't break its previous swing high, but Palantir broke it with the flying colors. And this means Palantir is much more stronger than SPY index in general, and in this case Palantir is a leading asset, and it drives the SPY index, not vice versa. This means I have to say that Palantir fundamentally for now is a very strong asset, and I think we have a setup even for the swing traders right now. So, and let me delete the SPY index. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Definitely this movement to the upside that broke this previous swing high is a very good movement, but we have to be very cautious because the volume with this movement is not so significant. It is a bit higher than we had previously on this consolidation phase, on these latest waves and on the beginning of this retracement. But all in all, I have to say that it is not enough to make a conclusion that from this range we might hit higher targets. And let me show you that in general, $13 price point is at quite high level, and it is right here. And if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its swing high of $13.9 to its swing low, as you can see, let me show it to you, it is exactly the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and this means Bank of America analysts just made their prediction on the conservative side of this asset. And my main price target is right here. It is $14.89, and in my opinion, Palantir should break it in a matter of next 6 to 12 months, and definitely from our current ranges it might be very good potential profits for more than 70%. But if you entered your position, as I've told you, on the golden pocket range, your average profits might be up to 96%. So it is almost twice as much from the golden pocket range, and this means technically this setup is very attractive. So what should you do if you want to enter the position? In my opinion, we still have the possibility to retest some of these key levels. One of them might be at $8.38. Second one might be at $8.28. So this range of support should hold in order to make the next leg to the upside, in order to confirm the next leg to the upside. And the next medium-term price target will be at $9.43. So if you want to enter your swing trade position, just accumulate on the way down, and from potentially the range of about $8.4, you might have about 12% of upside potential, but you should put your tight stop loss, because if we break these two ranges, we might see lower price action, and we might retest even a golden pocket range. So that's why it is quite a risky setup, but still we have more chances to hit the $9.45 and even break it to the upside, and this will confirm the next leg. As you can see, let me show it to you more thoroughly. We might have higher lows and higher highs, and this will be a major sign for medium-term investors to enter their position. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna